Hi there, and welcome to this course on creating apps with Xamarin Forms. Now, Xamarin Forms is part of the Xamarin platform, and Forms takes it one step further and allows you to create apps on Android, Windows, and Mac, and iOS in C# with one single code base. And I'm going to show you just how to do that with the brand new Xamarin Forms 2.0. I'm recording this in 2016 when Xamarin Forms 2.0 has just come out. And if you're a beginner to Xamarin, then this course is perfect for you. If you're a veteran of Xamarin, but you haven't yet used Forms, then again, this course is also perfect for you. In this course, we're going to learn how to make 3 apps. The first one is a simple Hello World app. The second one is the one you're looking at, which is a single to-do list item app. And in there, we're going to learn how to lay out things, how to create buttons, events around those buttons. And then, if you've noticed, we have this running on an iPhone and an Android simulator. And both of these apps have used 95% of the same code. So I've only had to code once for 2 completely different platforms. Then we're going to move on and we're going to create a ×10 Just Do It app where we'll create a bunch of tasks, and these tasks are stored in a list view that lightens up the further down the list you go, so it places a natural importance on what's at top. And when we click one of the items, it opens up an edit screen, and we'll also cover that in this course, how to open new view controllers or activities from a list view. Then, inside these boxes, you can change the text, and that text binds to a property in the code behind it automatically, and I'm going to show you that. And that is key for Xamarin Forms. You have to know how that works to create apps. And when we hit save, that gets saved to a database, an SQLite one. And again, whatever app you're creating in whatever language, you need to know SQLite databases, and I take you through it all. So join me in this course. I'm an exciting instructor, and whenever I'm teaching, I like to make sure that my students know everything that's going on, all of the background workings, and why we do certain things. Because some instructors just say, let's create a database. But why? Why would you want to create a database? And I take you through all of those things, so by the end of this course, you're going to have a good solid grounding, not just in Xamarin Forms, but also in C# programming. So join me today